In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a workspace member on ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to limit or remove someone's access to a specific space in ClickUp using the built-in space settings. This method is ideal when a teammate finishes a project, a contractor's engagement ends, or you simply need to tighten up who can see sensitive work. We'll move through the interface in a calm, deliberate way, and I'll add helpful pointers so you understand what each button does and why it matters. One quick note up front for clarity. In ClickUp, most day-to-day access decisions happen at the space level. That means you'll usually remove a person's access to a space rather than delete them from the entire workspace. If you ever need a full removal from the entire environment, that is handled in the broader people or workspace settings. Today, we're focusing on controlling access to a space, which is the most common and safest approach for protecting your projects without disrupting anything else. Let's begin right from your ClickUp homepage. This is the hub where you typically land after signing in, and it's the best place to start because you can quickly confirm you're in the correct workspace and see your sidebar of spaces. If you're part of more than one workspace, just glance at the workspace selector at the top of the sidebar or in the header to make sure you're adjusting permissions in the right place. Different workspaces can look very similar, so taking a second to verify this saves you from making changes in the wrong environment. Also, your homepage layout might vary slightly if you've customized it, but the sidebar on the left with your spaces should be visible. If your sidebar is collapsed, tap the small arrow to expand it so you can see your list of spaces clearly. Next, navigate to your space. A space in ClickUp